John Stuart Bell was another hidden variable heretic. This Irish physicist didn't necessarily believe in them, but he wasn't content to just accept the Copenhagen interpretation without properly testing it. And he also realised that one could reveal the existence of hidden information without actually measuring that information or even testing a specific hidden variables theory. We've talked about these Bell tests previously if you want to see exactly how this works. In short though, in 1964, Bell came up with his Bell theorem, which shows that there should be a particular statistical correlation between the measured properties of entangled particles if the particles themselves hold the information about their internal states, and a different statistical relationship if those properties really are decided at the moment of measurement. In particular, the so-called Bell inequality would be true if there are hidden variables contained in the particles and violated otherwise. Finally, there was a real test that we could use to check for hidden variables. However, it wasn't until 1969 that the first Bell test was performed, and that was by one of our 2022 Nobel laureates, John Clauser. So why did it take 5 years? Well, Bell tests are really hard to perform. They require the production of entangled states, which have to be manipulated and measured without breaking the exceedingly delicate correlation between the particles. But also, to do a Bell test was to question the status quo, so it was hard to get support for the significant effort required. Clauser talks about the time he proposed his idea for the experiment to Richard Feynman, who promptly kicked him out of his office. Apparently Feynman thought it was pointless because standard quantum mechanics was clearly correct.